Good morning, Tigers. Today is Monday, May 18th, 2020. It is time for our daily announcements. We will start with the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. We will now pause for a moment of silence. Okay, as we start our last week of online learning or remote learning this week, we need to remember our school pledge at all times. I will do my best to be respectful, responsible, produce quality work, follow all school rules, and help others achieve their goals for an excellent school year. Okay, this week is our virtual spirit week. So today I need you to send pictures of you wearing your favorite Northwest Elementary spirit wear to Mrs. English. My email is right here on the screen. My phone number that you can text me pictures to is 252-450-5065, or you can send me a Class Dojo message. Again, today is Spirit Wear Day. I think I made a mistake and said it was Pajama Day on yesterday's announcements. However, today is Spirit Wear Day. If you've already sent me a picture with you in your pajamas, that's okay. I'll make sure I post on Facebook that I made a mistake. But if you haven't sent me a picture yet, go ahead and send me a picture of you in your spirit wear today. All right, our terrific Tigers for last week, May 11th through the 15th. These are Tigers that were super engaged online or via paper packets, showed a great attitude, and were very responsive to their teacher. Our terrific Tigers were Seth Calhoun, McKinnon Parker in pre-K, Aubrey Garrow in kindergarten, Danilo Rubio Rodriguez in first grade, Brandon Rubio Perez in second grade, Misael Eugenio in third grade, Preston Scott in fourth grade, and Kennedy Grays in fifth grade. Awesome job last week, Tigers. We have one birthday today. Happy birthday to Julia Canseco Ortega in first grade. We hope you have a wonderful day today, Julia. All right, announcements for today. Paper packets for this week can be picked up from 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock today through Friday. This is our last week of remote learning, Tigers, so this will be the last paper packet week, and it will be the last week that you will have assignments online. Finish strong and work hard. We're celebrating Virtual Spirit Week this week. Today is School Spirit Wear Day. Tomorrow is Show and Tell Your Favorite Item Day. Wednesday is Favorite Movie Day. Thursday is College Day. And Friday is Career Day. Attention to all of our 5th grade Tigers. Save the date for our 5th grade celebration. We will host this on Friday, June 5th at 6 p.m. More details to come soon. Remember that we have all of your belongings ready for pickup at the school, and you can return your school library books. Northwest Elementary Orchestra members can also return your instrument to the front entrance. Our positivity project for this last week of learning is gratitude, and you and your teachers will be doing some morning meeting activities around gratitude. This is a review from around the Thanksgiving time. Right now, even though we're facing some things that are very different, it's very important to be grateful for the things that we have and the good things that happen in our life. All right, Tigers, remember your tiger paws today. Be prepared, be accepting and respectful, be willing to learn, and be safe. Have a marvelous Monday, and we miss you very much.